I'm often asked, why is the fintech industry the most exciting to work in? Because there's lots of innovation and technology happening all around the world in many industries, but when you're changing the way that people access their money, finances, how they pay their bills and feed their family, in many cases for the first time ever because of technology through these new platforms and systems, that's a great industry to be working in.
I think in fintech in the next few years, we'll see more and more companies doing more and more services. So initially, what we've seen, a year ago, a lot of companies started specializing in just one sort of services. But I think in the next 12 to 24 months, we'll see companies adding more and more services. So for example, you will see companies who are doing, money remittance. They will add credit as well.
Well, listen, applying technology in the finance sector is exciting because we have to work in a regulated environment. So we have to make sure that transactions are safe. We have to make sure that whatever we do and whatever we support services to our clients does work at the very end, because you can't mess around money, right?
So the reason I'm so excited to work with FinTech and InsurTech is that they bring in a new vigor to a 3-century-old industry, which is insurance. They've been bringing new thoughts, a new way of incorporating technology in our processes, and also the fact that if you look at behavioral economics, we as insurance industry build in biases, and the outsiders break our biases and our silos and help us to think differently. So it's a very exciting way of bringing in new thought and new culture into an old industry.
I think there's, what's the hottest fintech trend? I think there's a lot of talk around blockchain, AI, machine learning. What I really think is a hot trend is actually that we're finally getting the data for free to people, and then really democratizing our data, and everybody's going to be able to get access to solutions which weren't able to get beforehand. I think that's really a game changer this year.
What is exciting about fintech, especially in Europe, is that it's one big open space still today. And so you can go into a center of expertise like Luxembourg, where we started with our product. We are in the investment fund space. And we started in the space which is largest in investment funds. We built a product there which we can export to the rest of the European market. What we see now is that we slowly start branching out to other areas of the financial sector as well. And what we can do actually is we can go into a space like London and take the expertise that is here and then reapply that to the rest of Europe as well. So that's the nice thing about fintech in Europe.
For us, of course, as a fintech startup, I would like to see happen in the next few months that due to this large change in the industry, that also the established banks are more open to new technologies and will actually adapt what we can contribute also faster.